Welcome back everyone. We are here with our next question. The question read as a small bar magnet is moved through a coil at a constant speed from one end to the other. Which of the following series of observation will be seen on the galvanometer G attached across the coil? So in the figure we can see the coil and the galvanometer is attached above the coil, and we can here also see a magnet is pushed from one end and it is pulled out from the other end. We have to predict the three figures, that is the three possibilities deflection which the galvanometer shows when the magnet is inserted and pulled out. And we also have to find this deflection in the respective order, that is number A is the at the magnet's entry, and B is the magnet is completely inside, and C when the magnet exit. So we have four options given here. You can see the four options are as follows. So again, I would like you to first go through this question and try to solve it by yourself, and then I will come to the solution. Now let's come to the solution. As we know, when the bar magnet enters the coil, the EMF is generated due to the magnetic flux change. So the deflection will be seen, and when it is completely inside, then the current will be zero. And when again the bar magnet exits the coil, the EMF is generated again, but in the opposite direction. So keeping this 3 points in mind, we have to find out the best possible option from the given options. So we can see when the current is zero, there is no deflection. So option B, option number 2 is wrong. Option 3, 4 and 1 is what left after the elimination process. Now we can see in option 3 and 4, when the bar magnet is entering, the galvanometer is showing no deflection in option 3 and 4. So these two are again wrong answer. So we can say clearly that the option number 1 is the correct answer. That is, when the bar magnet is entering, the galvanometer will show the deflection, and when it is completely inside, there will be no current flowing, and when the bar magnet will leave the coil, then it will again show the deflection but is opposite direction. So number 1 satisfies all the three conditions. So we can say that option 1 is the correct answer. I hope you all understood this question well. Thank you. See you in the next question.